Right, let's erase this. Right, we are to use our graph to write down the values of d, the values of d. When you look there, d is now representing our function. Our function was given by y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. So now when you look here, we've just put a d in the place of y, which means now we are calling this function a function of d. It's x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. So we are to find the values of y. This is y. The values of y where the equation, where this will have three real roots. Three real roots. Remember this? Here, there is only one root here. Remember, the root are the values of x. So, at this point, it's where our graph will, our horizontal line will cut our graph. So, we've got only one root here. When you go up to the turning point there are two. But once you pass the turning point here, let's see how many points now. It's 1, 2, 3, just above the turning point. Also, here we've got only one root. At the turning point, there are two roots. And then just below this point, we are going to have three. That one, this one, and also that one. Same thing to this graph, which means for you to check how many roots, you just have to use your ruler and check like that. Here we've got 2. It's 1, 2. But once you just go up a bit, just above point R, which is our turning point, here. So now we are having 1, 2, 3 roots just above the turning point here. Our turning point here, 2. We've got 2 is to 0. We've calculated that x at R is 2. Therefore, the coordinates here are 2 is to 0. So, for you to get 3 real roots, you just have to go just above point R, where y is above y at R. Or just below here, not here because we are going to find 2. Just below here, just below your turning point, your graph will be cutting this. Your horizontal line will be cutting that at 3 points. It's 1, 2, 3. Just below point Q. So we need the values of y. Where our horizontal line will cut the graph 3 times. So it's below point Q or above point R, which means it's where D, we are talking about D, is where D is above 0. y is 0 here, so above this point, y is above 0, which means it's where y is, it's where d, our y is represented by d, it's where d is greater than 0. Or you go down from point Q to have 3 roots, or where our y, which is represented by d, is less, it's below, it's less than 4. That's how to answer this question. It's where y is greater than 0 or y less than 4. It's where y is less than 4 but greater than 0. It's where y less than 4 but greater than 0. That's how to answer that question. Let's stop here.